Hey everyone, welcome back to MDC Technology Central. Today I'll be showing you how you can pair your new Galaxy Buds to your Android phone. This tutorial will work for the regular Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Buds Plus. Let's get started. First, make sure your Buds case is charged. If you've just gotten yours, I recommend you charge the case with the Buds inside for at least 20 minutes before attempting this. Next, open the Play Store and download the Galaxy Wearable app if it's not already installed. You'll need this app to pair the earbuds to your phone via Bluetooth. When the app is finished downloading, tap Open to open the app. You'll soon be taken to a Pick Your Device screen. Scroll down and tap Galaxy Buds/Galaxy Buds Plus. If you haven't already, unplug the case from the charger and open it so that it is detectable. Tap your buds when they appear in the list. Tap OK if you get a Bluetooth pairing request. There may be additional apps that will begin downloading. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.